your hands. I like shoot, I will shoot. Jingle bell, all the way. We'll hop off our jingle bell, say, hey. Jingle bell, all the way. We'll hop off our jingle bell, say, hey. I love you.
Good morning guys. Ay, alis na kayo dito sa hotel. Yung mga bata nasa sasakyan na. Punta kami na Kuyonga. So, see you na lang sa Kuyonga guys.
Yeah, let's roll it. It's fine. It's fine. I'm oh, even you didn't even have to stop. Let's go this way. Let's go.
You have to practice patting.
Oh, that how much to
Let's buy a plane and then we can fly here all the time.
how much minutes for a jet?
Yeah, Kuyonga first.
But actually,
Yeah, okay, practice and get better.
That's right, Zach.
well, I can't do very hit fast.
There we go. Over here on the train.
Yeah, that
It's a
one.
bit tight though. Too tight, I can't get it more.
Dito na kami guys sa Kuyonga. Say good morning boys.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning. So, dating gawi, magpa-practice muna sila bago ang golf competition. Ano pa lang? Anong oras na ba? 8:44 pa lang ang golf competition is. What time is it? Zach? 2 o'clock, Zach? Are you ready? Do you think you're gonna win this time? No pressure. Okay, just enjoy, okay?
For later.
What's the holy girl?
I mean for later.
Pardon?
I mean for later.
You're gonna win for later?
Yeah.
Narinig niyo siya, guys. Okay. Where's your bag?
It's here.
Okay, we're gonna tie your hair, okay?
My, it's not in here.
Yeah, it's in there, Baba.
It's not in there.
Okay.
It's not in my bag.
Pilian ko muna yung buhok niya. Basta pa kasi kanina. Medyo malamig kasi maaga pa.
It looks better.
Ayan. Change na si Kuya ng golf shoes. Zach, where are you?
Wait, I thought you know where the glass.
I'm here. Umiyak siya. I just got your jumper ba? Are you... Ha?
I want to
Umiiyak na siya. Kasi kinuha ko to. Ayaw niya to. What do you want?
I want a bubble jumper.
Gusto niya purple jumper.
I seen that one, right? Bubble jumper.
You had it yesterday, Baba. Yes.
I put it in a bag.
You put it in the bag. Ito nang mahirap sa kanyang age. Sa ganito. Ito na yung mahirap sa ganitong age kasi siya na yung nagpipili ng damit na gusto niyang suotin. Come on, Baba. Kuha kami ng golf balls. Come on, Baba. Sinuot niya din yung yung kanyang jacket. Kasi malamig eh. Night, Baba. Your stick, Baba. Oh, Peppa Pig wants to play. Marami nang nagpa-practice. Oh. Kuha muna tayo ng golf balls. Holly, you don't do that with your golf stick. Yeah. First time kong pumasok dito. Finally, makikita na natin kung ano ang laman dito sa loob. Mayroon silang golf shop dito.
Just check on my account. I'll let you know. Right.
This is the same as you, Kuya. Kuya, this one. What did you get, hon? What's that? What? Tokens?
For bowls.
Tokens for bowls. Yung palang kinuha nila. Token, ayan. Lagay niya dyan. Just one.
One at a time, mate.
And lalabas na yung bola. Is it fun, Papa? Huh?
No, you dogs, you can't race.
Then, hinulog niya pa yung isa. Papa, wait for Daddy, Papa, wait. Wait. Okay. Watch for the Papa. Are you ready for golf? Come here. Here, Papa. Follow the boys. Baba. Baba. You have to be quiet. No, later.
Just tell you can't swim with a big jacket on.
It's ready na siya. Thank you. Naghihintay siya ng turn niya. Wait lang, Baba, ha? Sak. Papa. Sabi niya, ayaw niya akong tulungan. Sige, ako na lang. Well done, Papa. Diyan. Oli. Han, fix her. Ang cute nila, tingnan, oh. Yung basket ni Holly facing doon sa ano.
Can you hold my papa, please?
Okay. Phoenix ko yung basket niya. Husa. Zach, can you move here a little bit, Zach? Just a little bit. Daddy. That's better, Kuya. So careful with you. May mga side comment yung daddy. Yung nga si Holly. Oh. Okay. Good job. Oh, Holly, stop. Wow, see? That's straight. Binibigyan na ni Kuya si Holly ng ball kasi ubos na yung sa kanya. Say thank you, Kuya. Well done, sir. Humingi siya ng tea kay kuya niya. Oh.
That's beautiful. That's nice. Nice, beautiful swing. Alright, around and up. Look at that tee. That's what you're thinking. You've got to close it there. There you go, get that.
Good job.
Power holding it down lower. Alright, stand back a little bit, Tony. Just relax, round, push it out. There you get a bit more, alright? Hold the club that far from the end, a little bit off the end. That's too big. I'll take it off. You can't wear it. It's too big. There. And there. Thumb there. Around.
Good job.
I went. I was there and I put it.
That looks right, mate. Maybe step back a bit. Lean over.
You're not allowed here. Go there. You're not allowed here.
Straight your bloody putter with the line of your ball. Relax. Where you're at. Lost it on up.
Andun yung dalawa, tsaka yung kasama nilang magkukumpit mamaya, yung team ng Kiyonga, and yung coach. Tinuturuan sila kung paano mag-putt, kasi yun ang pinakamahirap sa golf is, kung hindi ka marunong mag-putt, wala. Matatalo ka talaga, kasi kailangan mong i-shoot yung ball. Ayun si Sako. Kailangan nilang alamin yung distance, kung gaano ka hina o kalakas nila titirahin yung bola. So, kailangan nilang i-feel yung distance. Kasi kailangan nilang malaman kung gaano kalakas, gaano kahina yung pagpat nila. Depende kung gaano kalayo yung bola sa hole. So, yun ang kailangan nilang aralin ng mabuti. Andito na sila, oh. Tapos na sila mag-practice doon ng putting. Did you learn something, Kuya? Good. So, you have to apply that one later, okay? Kuya? Ayan, tapos na sila mag-practice. Hinihintay lang si Kuya maubos yung tirang bola ni Jan.
Cock your wrist, punch it through there, okay? Throw it out there.
Yung dalawa tapos na. Ayun pa si Kuya.
Oi, where you holding it? 3 times in a row.
Ayan na si Kuya, tapos na. Ang saya ni Sak.
Dad,
Sak, where are we going, Sak?
Harbour Town.
What are we gonna do to Harbour Town?
My new shoes.
Ay.
We are.
Sorry,
We're
Jan.
gonna
No,
make
na.
some new shoes. One's way red.
Anong oras na
One's
ba?
way red too.
So, tapos na sila mag-practice. 10:19.
Yeah.
So, ang
Yeah.
golf competition is 2:30 or 2 o'clock, honey?
2 o'clock.
Ha?
2
We've got to
o'clock.
be there before 2.
Oh, kailangan namin doon. Kailangan nandun na kami before 2. So,
Yeah.
punta kami ng Harbour Town para mabili na yung gusto niya. Kahapon niya pa. Actually, matagal niya yan hinihingi sa akin na bilan siya ng bagong shoes. Let me see your shoes, Rock. What's wrong with your shoes?
Oh, can you see this part? Oh, not that one. This part,
What?
that fall off.
Let me see.
Here.
What? What's
That
wrong?
fall off.
Ah,
And I
na.
got a hole here.
Where?
Got a hole.
Why? How come?
And I got holes in my grip.
So, do you need one to, Kuya?
Yeah. I got holes
grip?
inside.
Di ba kabibili lang namin ng shoes nila? Kailan ba yun?
It's all ripped.
Basta naalala ko, kabibili lang din namin. Siguro mga 6 months ago or more than 6 months. Basta less than 1 year pa lang. Kailan ba yun? When was the last time you bought their shoes, Han?
6 months ago.
6 months
I
ago?
remember my white ones. They were Asics. The white ones. I liked those shoes.
Oh yeah, the white one. Yes. We'll see if they have one here.
I don't want it.
Oh. How about you,
I
Baba?
always go for Nike.
Do you need shoes?
Yeah.
Do you need shoes?
Yeah, what's my boots? No, you don't. Sockers on.
So yeah, punta tayo ng Harbour Town, guys.
40.
Parang walang tao. Parang hindi pa siya bukas, guys. Tingnan niyo. Parang walang katao-tao. So Sarado pa siya guys. And 11 pa raw ito magbubukas. Ano pa lang eh, 10:26 pa lang.
10:27.
So, yeah, ayan o. Wala pang masyadong tao. And sarado pa yung mga shop. Tingnan niyo yung parking o. Walang masyadong cars.
Finish. No. Yes.
Okay, sing Baba. Ani?
Good job.
Pinatay yung favorite song ni Holly.
No, turn it off.
Sing here, Baba. Look, Baba. Sing. No, Baba. Okay, sing. Louder. Ito lang muna ako sa car, guys. Nandun sila sa labas. Mga 30 minutes pa kami dito maghihintay. Kasi 11 pa bubukas nga ang Harbor Town. Ano pa lang. Ayan, 10:32. Patayin ko na nga ito. Hatiin na lang natin. So, yung mga bata, andun sila sa labas. Mainit. Umiinit na. Daw, 27 degrees daw ngayon. Is it hot outside, kuya? Yeah. Pumasok na siya kasi mainit na nga sa... Dito nga mainit na eh. Walang katao-tao pa talaga, oh. Ang daming parking. Andun pa, oh. Napaaga tayo. Decide kami na pumasok na dito kahit sarado pa para maglaro lang basta. Kasi may playground dito, eh.
You have one doll?
No, we don't have dollar. Come on, Baba. Go play there. Ito yung playground dito, oh. Na solo nila, wala pang mga bata. Baba, go! Wala silang kaagaw sa playground, oh. Sila lang talagang tatlo. Ay, si Holly. Careful, Holly, ha? Hurry up, Papa! Hurry up! Oh, careful ha! Careful! Mahulog ka dyan! Good job, Papa! Good job!
Yes, please.
What? Mayroon ditong Gloria Jeans Coffee. Sarado pa talaga yung mga shop dito, guys. Oh. Naglalakad lang ako dito kasi maghahanap ako ng breakfast ko. And si Jan, nandun siya sa Gloria Jeans kasi yung mga bata gusto nila ng croissant. Doon sila mag-breakfast. Ako, lakad-lakad muna tayo dito. Ayan, sarado pa mga shop. Yun. Walang katao-tao pa. Buti na lang, bukas na yung mga kainan dito. Dito talaga ako gustong kumain. Ito yung Fiesta Cafe and Restaurant. Kasi masarap yung kanilang Mexican food to, guys. Masarap yung kanilang quesadilla dito. So sabi ko, ilagay lahat, everything. Kasi masarap yan. Ayan yung lamb. Yeah. So, marami silang choices. Merong chicken, pork. Pero yung akin lang. Dito yung mga boys. How's your food, boys? Good. Drink? Why, Daddy didn't get you drink? How is it, Papa? Good. Kabantay na po si Sak. Ito yung akin. Ayan. Hiniwa siya sa apat. Tapos merong sauce. Ayan. Kain, guys. Ayan, ang sarap nito. Promise. Tingnan niyo yung cheese, oh. Kain tayo, guys. Ha? This is my sauce, Baba. Ang sarap. It is spicy. Sarap ng mga sauce. Kain na naman tayo, guys. Kahapon, ang dami kong nakain. Pinagtitingin na ako ng mga tao. Yung mga dumadaan. Kaya, sino kinakausap niya? Sarap. Tapos na kaming kumain ng breakfast and bukas na yung mga store. Holly, come on, Baba. We're gonna find your dress. Come on, Baba. Bukas na yung paborito kong store dito para kay Holly. Nung bata si Holly, dito ko siya laging binibilihan ng mga damit. Ito yung Ollie's Place. And ito guys, mayroon nito si Holly nung baby pa siya. Pag nahanap ko yung picture, ilalagay ko somewhere there. Ha? Huh? You have that? Okay, come on. Hanapan ko si Holly ng damit na kulay green para sa Christmas party namin. Huh?
Like this one.
No, not that one.
Like this one.
Huh? That's pink. We need green. Size 3.
The green's there.
Ito lang yung kanilang green dress. Oh, how I wish this is green. Oh,
And there's that one there, that's green.
yeah.
Yeah.
Ang daming magaganda dito kaso hindi siya green. Huh?
You know what for you?
Do you want to wear it for me?
Yes.
Do you want to try it on?
Yes.
But it's not green, Baba. We're looking for green. Walang green na dress na maganda. Come on, Holly. Yung mga boys naghahanap na ng sapatos nila. Come on. Over there. Come on, let's go. Okay, one more slide. Hurry up, hurry up. Gusto niya pa mag-slide. Hurry up, Papa. Okay, let's go. Pasok tayo dito sa sa temp. Ayan. Come on here, Papa. Alam niyo, nakita ko agad. Green na. Eto ba? Ha? Pink. Tignan nyo to. Sumasayo na naman siya. Sabi ko, ipakita ko sa inyo yung outfit ko. Kaso, eto nasa way. Baba, let me borrow the mirror first, Baba. So, eto yung outfit natin for today, guys. Naka-bucket hat ako and dress na may padramang sleeve dito. And pinatungan ko lang siya ng sleeveless. Tapos, eto yung crossbody bag and yung sapatos ko. Baba, excuse me, Baba. Baba, excuse me. Yung sapatos ko, marami nagtatanong nito. Eto ay from Steve Madden. Ang comfy niya, guys. Ang sarap niyang ilakad sa mga habaang lakaran. Ang sarap niya. So, yan yung outfit natin for today. Ayan. Baba, excuse me.
I want the ring.
Huh? You want drink? Okay. I'll get you drink. So, yan ang outfit natin for today, guys. And yung bucket hat. How about you, Baba? Let me see your dress. Yung dress niya, ayan, may mancha na ng Powerade. Kanina, uminom siya dun sa, nung nagpa-practice yung mga boys. Hindi na ito matatanggal siguro. I-try ko. Okay, come on. Let's find... Wait, let's... Which way?
This way.
Okay. Here, Baba. Wala akong nakita sa tent. Come on here. Hanapin natin yung mga boys. Come on, Baba. Hurry up. Nauhaw siya. Tingnan natin kung nandito sila sa Intersport. Tapos na sila. You got yours? Ayan na si Kuya. Oh, hindi namin na sila naabutan. How about you, Zach? How about Zachary? Oh, wala pang nahanap kay Zach. Pero si Kuya, ayun oh. Kuya, let me see. Ang cute. Kuya, show me your shoes. Ikaw na naman nakauna. Si Zach ang dapat hanapan natin eh. Lagi na lang si Zach yung hindi nahanapan ng size. Pero si Kuya meron na. And pasok tayo dito kay Brooke. Tingnan natin kung meron dito si Zach. No kids dito. Walang size for kids. Hurry up, Papa! Kawawa naman si Zach. Parang hindi siya mabibilhan. Ayan. Dito tayo. Pasok tayo dito kay Puma. Sana mayroong size si Zach. This is only for the boys? Black one Zach? Yeah, wala masyadong choices dito. Ang dami na raw na napunta nilang shop, pero walang size talaga si Zach. Ha?
There's nothing there.
Pinipilit niya talaga.